What's new? Joaquin El Chapo Guzmán's son, known as El Ratón, was extradited to the United States on Friday and now faces additional charges in New York. Ovidio Guzmán, the son of Joaquin Guzmán Lora, El Chapo, appeared before Judge Sharon Johnson Coleman in the Northern District of Illinois Court, located in Chicago. Ovidio Guzmán pleaded not guilty to the 5 charges filed against him, which include drug trafficking and money laundering. These new charges in Chicago are in addition to the 6 he already faced in New York. In a hearing that took place on Monday, September 18, Ovidio, also known as El Ratón, appeared in federal court in a session that lasted only 14 minutes. This appearance occurred after his extradition to the United States last Friday, from El Altiplano prison in the state of Mexico. Ovidio Guzmán, 33 years old, appeared at the hearing wearing an orange jumpsuit and ankle restraints. Throughout the proceedings, he had the assistance of a Spanish interpreter, although at times, he responded to District Judge Sharon Johnson Coleman's questions in English with a noticeable accent, as reported by the Chicago Tribune. During the hearing, which lasted just under 15 minutes, Ovidio displayed signs of confusion and kept his head down. When asked if he had any medical conditions, he mentioned that he had recently undergone stomach surgery and also suffers from depression and anxiety, for which he receives medical treatment. However, both he and his attorney, Jeffrey Lichtman, stated that these medications do not affect his ability to stand trial. Prosecutors pointed out that 2 of the charges filed against Guzmán López carry a mandatory life sentence in the event of a guilty verdict, as reported by the Tribune. The death penalty was excluded from consideration as part of an agreement reached during negotiations for Guzmán López's extradition with Mexican authorities, according to the prosecutors. Guzmán López waived his right to a detention hearing and will remain in custody without the possibility of bail while awaiting trial. The follow-up hearing has been rescheduled for November 17. Ovidio Guzmán is charged with the following 5 counts. Number 1. Conspiracy to distribute cocaine, methamphetamine, heroin, and marijuana in the United States. Number 2. Participation in a continuing criminal enterprise. Number 3. Importation, manufacturing, and distribution of cocaine, methamphetamines, heroin, and marijuana. Number 4. Conspiracy to commit illegal money laundering. Number 5. Possession of a firearm. These are serious charges related to activities associated with drug trafficking and money laundering, and they can carry significant penalties if Ovidio Guzmán is found guilty. Last Friday, the U.S. Department of Justice confirmed Guzmán's extradition to Chicago. Ovidio Guzmán, who was arrested by Mexican authorities in January, was among the most wanted drug traffickers by the United States due to his involvement in fentanyl trafficking. He now faces a series of federal charges in various U.S. courts. Regarding his legal situation, Ovidio had 2 options: either reach an agreement with authorities to cooperate and provide information in exchange for a possible reduction in his sentence, or, like his father, choose to face a trial. Comment on what you thought of the news, give the video a like, and subscribe to the channel. If you deem it necessary, you can share this video on your social media.